After a day of retracing my family's footsteps in Torre del Greco, where else could I cook my mama's Sunday night signature dish? But the black sandy beach we would come to every weekend.
Today I just had the most amazing day ever. I really went down memory lane. Every single week when I was a little boy, it was mussels. There they are. You cannot cook seafood if you don't use garlic. The way I do it, I don't really peel the clove of garlic or anything like that. I'll just smash them down with my knife like this. So they're very easy to peel the skin out.
Add the garlic to the cold frying pan, then a good glug of olive oil, and only then switch on the heat.
If you overcook it, it becomes very bitter. So the oil and the garlic are in there. In there, we're gonna put some chili flakes. Maybe about half teaspoon will do the job. This is more than enough. So that goes in there. Now have a look at what's happened, guys. The garlic starts to sizzle into the oil. So garlic and chili infusing the oil, so all the flavors in there. You got the kotze, the mussels, straight into the pan. Like that.
Then add a splash of dry white wine.
So we're gonna put a lid on, because what's happened? The steam is now gonna allow the mussels to open. Now the water is boiling in there. What I'm doing, I got my linguine pasta. So that goes into the boiling water straight in.
Italians will always choose dried over fresh pasta because we like the al dente bite.
Whenever you cook it, make sure that you push the pasta down into the water. Now, have a look at the mussels. But look at this one, how beautiful and juicy is there. But I'm gonna add more flavors. I got some beautiful local cherry tomatoes. So I cut them in half first. I put them in my hand and I start to squeeze them into the sauce, like this.
The mussels will cook in about 6 to 8 minutes, the same time as the pasta.
Okay, so in there what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some flat leaf parsley, which not only is gonna add color, but it's gonna give it a beautiful earthy flavor. Look at that. Very rough, like this. So I'm gonna put 3/4 of the parsley in there. And now look what's up. Come here, come here, come here. Look at the colors there. Remember, the mussels, they're gonna have seawater in there because they're fresh. So try the sauce at the end, and then you can season right at the end. See, to me it's perfect. The salt already in the mussels, absolutely perfect. Okay, pasta, al dente.
Cook the pasta for 2 minutes less than the packet instructions.
Because the last minutes, what I wanted to happen, I wanted for the pasta to get all the juices and the flavor of the mussels. Beautiful.
Sprinkle in the rest of the fresh parsley and the zest of a lemon.
Now the only thing that you got to do, give it a good mix. And we serve it up. Look at that, that pasta is coated beautiful by the sauce of the mussels. And there you have it. Linguine con cozze, garlic, cherry tomato, white wine. Now, I'm gonna have to say this. This is just like my mama used to make. It's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Wow. This is perfect. This is perfect. Today has been perfect. You are perfect. I love my life.